guys, do I need to explain it to you? Almost every person that has blonde hair are bad people. They're like acting like popular girls and like stuff. Like, what the heck? And they're so mean. Like, I have this girl at my school. Her name is Alexandra. And she has blonde hair and she's so mean. Stop bullying, you stupid blonde people. Who are you? What are you doing here?
Oh, just the person that cheers you up.
Oh, I'm terribly sorry. So how are you going to cheer me up, though?
A little gift from a fan that you actually love to get rid of all the blonde hair girls for you.
Really?
Indeed, first thing first, you have to close your eyes. See the stunning surprise for you.
Okie dokie tokie.
You really want that gift for you?